It's just 24 hours since the shocking news that gripped Jamaica and the rest of the world, the passing of the lead singer of the Morgan Heritage Band, Peter Morgan. Sad to say he passed away suddenly yesterday. We're about to discuss his life story, plus also what might have caused his death. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Are you ready?
Never a long time.
All right. Well, this is Lisa. This is family right here.
Yeah.
Years and years and years. Lisa, Anna, Morgan family.
Brother, Peter,
It's
my
family.
brother.
Yes.
I'm so happy to be
And
here.
she won the contest.
She won the contest today.
Cookie Mug,
Straight.
Money Mug.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. The world is still trying to come to terms with the untimely news of the sudden passing of the lead singer of the Morgan Heritage Band, Peter Morgan. A number of them have took to social media just in order to express condolences to the family and friends at this difficult time, as many are taking the time to reflect on his life, his work, and his legacy, and even the music which will live on for years to come. The Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Most Right Honorable Andrew Holness, in leading condolences from the nation to the rest of the world, and his family expressed sadness at the sudden passing of the entertainer. Yesterday, the entertainment fraternity was plunged into mourning and is still in mourning, following the news that Peter Morgan, the lead singer for the Grammy Award-winning reggae group Morgan Heritage, passed away. The 46-year-old singer's death was announced by the band on their official Instagram page on Sunday without a cause of death being stated. A number of individuals have took to social media in order to express shock at the untimely passing of the great singer. The post, which was made on the official Facebook page of the Prime Minister, read, "My heart is heavy to learn of the passing of Peter Morgan, the world-renowned Morgan Heritage. I send my deep condolences to the Morgan Heritage family as they grieve this tremendous loss, which is also a colossal loss for Jamaica and for reggae music." Morgan, known as Peter, was the son of a renowned Jamaican singer, Denroy Morgan. He and his siblings formed the Morgan Heritage in 1994, and the band won a Grammy for Best Reggae Album in 2016 for Strictly Roots. Denroy Morgan was the father of Peter Morgan, a Jamaican-born American reggae artist. Morgan traveled to the United States in 1965 at the age of 20 to become a musician. He was part of the formation of the Black Eagles, a New York City reggae band in the 1970s. Before launching a successful career in the 1980s onwards, he was born in Maypen, Clarendon, Jamaica, and passed away on March 3, 2022 at the age of 76 years old. Peter Anthony Morgan was born in Brooklyn and grew up in Massachusetts with several other children of the Jamaican singer Denroy Morgan, whom they would visit on the weekend in order to play music. Known as Peter, the singer formed the group with several of his other siblings in 1994, eventually winding it down to 5 members. Their fusion of roots and reggae with increasing popularity and the blend of soul, R&B, dub, calypso, and other dance style proved a hit on the US radio and their Jamaican homeland, where the band moved after releasing their debut LP, Miracles. A series of hits on the Billboard Reggae chart followed the including title of a 1999 album, Don't Have It Jed and Down by the River. Upon releasing their later album, Morgan elaborated to Billboard on their lyrical focus on Rastafarian praise and unity. "We put stereotype to the back and character to the front. It's not about who you are, it's not about what you look like. Mankind on a whole has to hear this over and over again. His voice was so special and his contribution to reggae globally was incredible. Veteran British reggae DJ David Radigan said in a social media post, noting that he was shocked and saddened to learn of Morgan's death. This is why I say life is just a precious gem, and we have to live life each and every day that our eyes are actually open in order to see the start of another day. A few days ago, Peter was here and he would have been there celebrating his life, and even just some years ago they received an award in Jamaica, and that was handed over by the Prime Minister of Jamaica. Now with this news and the ban itself, their future is in limbo right at this point in time, because how are they going to carry on with the ban without this individual? However, I know that they have the strength, they have that will, and they have that drive in order to continue, because the fans out there, which are millions and stretched across all different eras of the world, are waiting to see what's to come. So as it relates now to what actually caused the death of Peter, that is the big question that many people have on their lips at this point in time. However, the family is very silent as it relates to that, and I know that the fans out there are wondering what really transpired, whether or not Peter was ill and whether or not he passed away at home or whether he was in the hospital. So there are many theories going on online right now. However, the family has not yet confirmed what really led to the death of the individual. But according to information that is out there, the public did not know of him being ill. So this is why this came as a shock to many, because he would have been there and done a number of performances recently, and this is why we are wondering what really transpired to this great reggae singer, Morgan Heritage, Down by the River, a tremendous hit song that is, and the group have touched lives right across the globe, millions of fans, and their music will forever live on. And Peter's voice that articulated the sound through those speaker boxes will forever resonate on the hearts of many for years to come. This is just such a sad story right now, and even up to this point in time, I can't actually believe the news that this individual who seems so humble, so calm, have such a nice demeanor, is actually passed and gone. And the fact is that this individual was so young, and you have to live life each and every day, because you don't know the minute, you do not know the hour when something can just go wrong and then you're gone. Peter Morgan, may you rest in peace, my brother. You contributed well to the genre of our music, which is reggae, and your name will forever be called upon. Down by the River, You Don't Have to Jet to Be Rasta, She's Still Loving Me, hits after hits. Those songs will forever resonate on the hearts of many for years to come. And I want you to know this, that your music has created an impact, and a positive one, on the hearts of many for years to come. Walk good, my brother. It was nice knowing you, nice knowing your music, and I hope that you will rest in peace, my friend. This is where Links 007 TV is gonna sign out for this one. Such a sad and emotional moment right now for many, and I know that fans right across the world are feeling the effects of this. His music has been reaching out all over the globe right now, on different social media platforms, on different medium, on the radio, on television, and it just goes to show you that the love and the camaraderie of the people for this family was really love, and the band itself was really love, and is still loved by many right across the world. This is where I'm going to sign out though. Thanks for watching Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. This is a sad one, and I hope that the family find the strength to cope during this difficult time, because I know it's hard for them. I'm gonna sign out for this one right now, but I'm gonna leave you with the voice of the Morgan Heritage Band. Peace out and have a blessed and productive day from the Links 007 TV.
Singing song of joy on this lovely day, song of everything. Roxas hit the song.